Here is a Honeywell Tower VN. It is under the CAS name, and the model number is HYF013W. This is a friend's unit, and he said it just quit. So let's see if we can figure out what happened. Looks like a fairly new unit. I don't see a date put on there, but can't imagine it's more than a couple of years old. It's all mechanical controls, so it's a pretty simple machine. There's not a whole lot to go wrong here. So let's plug this up and see what the issue is. Okay, so it's plugged up now. This is on high, and there's just nothing. Okay, well, I think we have two problems here. I think number one, this was set to off, and it needs to be like that and on. I can hear a humming now, so that could have been half the problem. Although I think we have maybe a locked bearing situation or something like that. Oh yeah, that's a locked. Really stiff. Huh. Okay, so that's the problem. The bearings have locked up. And they're locked really hard. Alright, well, let's see what we gotta do to get in this thing. There's two screws up there at the top, and then it looks like there's gotta be something down there maybe by the motor. I don't know what that is, some kind of funny man plug or something. Oh, it's like a plastic kind of material. That's gonna be tough to get out of there. Yeah, let's see if I... oh, geez, not even in the frame. Okay. I'm going to take this piece of metal here, and I'm going to try to put like a hook kind of shape on it. Now let's see if I can pull this out with this wire here. It's going to be the hardest part of this whole process, probably. Okay, I think I dislodged it enough that at least now I can use a screwdriver and pry it the rest of the way out. There we go. This is what we're looking at here. And there is in fact a third screw down there. So let's go ahead and get these screws out and see how much access that gives us. This looks like this is going to release the motor bearing. Or not the motor bearing, the top bearing. Maybe not. This looks like there's some kind of a tab there. I'm not sure exactly what that does. Oh, that releases the top. Looks like somebody's tried to get in here before. Okay, so here's the inside of it. That is so locked, it's ridiculous. Just the top bearing. I've seen the top bearings on these things get screwed up before. It's going to be hard to get that off. Yep, it's the top bearing. Okay. So this is going to be an easy fix. We just need to clean this out and re-lubricate that. I'm going to start with some of the red can because it's a little bit better for cleaning. And we'll just wipe this off. So this spins freely on the other side, so it's only this top bearing that's having an issue. Bunch of dried up lubricant in there. So we're just going to clean this out. And then we're going to get the blue can out. Blue can with 3 in, which is specifically for fins. And we're going to put a little bit of oil here on the shaft. Slide this piece back on. Now it'll work. And maybe that's wrong. Oh, it goes like this. Okay. I think it went like that. Or no, it went like this because there's that little tab there that goes on that tab. It goes like that. Okay, so now this has a good chance of operating correctly. Okay, And just for good measure, I'm going to put a drop of oil down in the motor. It really needs to be taken apart completely and lubricated from the bottom as well. You know, the bottom bearing on the motor. But just to get, I don't know if he wants it back or not. It's going to be hot this week, so I'll just get it working, and if he wants it back, I'll give it back to him. If not, I'll go through and do a better service of it. I don't think he does want it back, but it's going to be hot this week, so maybe he will. I don't know. It's not great, but it'll run. Let's plug this up and give it a quick test before I put the cover back on. Yep, there it goes. Okay, that's running. Bearings are still a little bit stiff, but it'll work. It'll work for now. Oh, this tab is busted up here. Well, that's not going to go back on correctly. I don't think it really matters, though. It'll be firm in place regardless. Okay, that should be it for now. Don't sound too good. Now it sounds okay. Okay. Oh, I guess the oscillations don't work no more, but I don't know if that's an issue or not. Well, we can take a look at that some other time. For now, it's running again.